When the cell was born, the story begins. The cell goes to its first stage, the interphase. Then the first phase of the G1 for its first cell growth, then the cell goes to S phase to get its DNA replicated. After that, it proceeds to G2 for its secondary growth phase and to check if it's ready for meiosis. Now, the cell is ready for meiosis and it undergoes its first phase which is prophase 1. In prophase 1, the chromosomes condense, the spindle fibers form and the nuclear membrane dissolves and the crossing over during synapses.
Just like in love, the two pair meets and they exchange their feelings to each other to show their love for each other.
And then they move to metaphase 1. The chromosomes line up to the metaphase plate at the middle.
Here, they promise to each other that no one will let go, that they will always stay to each other's side. They made sure that they will always be even.
Then the next phase is anaphase 1, where the homologous chromosomes separates but the sister chromatids remains attached.
It's like from the start, the two pairs are happy, especially when they are with each other. They promise each other that no one will leave, but still in the end, the two of them separated like nothing happened. Though they are officially separated, in anaphase 1, chromatids are still attached, where it can also be compared to a love that's not gone. They met, but are not meant for each other.
In telophase 1, the nuclear envelopes surrounds the separated chromosomes. Cell elongates and forms a cleavage furrow. This can be easily defined as prophase in reverse.
Like a reverse of their love story. They met each other in the beginning, yet in reverse. They begin their separated lives again and try to forget about each other.
Then, cytokinesis occurs creating two separate haploid cells.
They have parted ways and created borders to their love for each other, loving each other from a distance. They are now different from each other, not like before, where everything are alike between them.
Finally, meiosis 1 is complete and meiosis 2 takes place where the two of you started a new life. Meiosis 1 and 2 are likely similar and same phases occurs. First is prophase 2. It's kind of similar to prophase 1 where the chromosomes condense and the nuclear membrane dissolves, but here the centrosomes duplicate and goes to the opposite poles, then spindle fibers forms.
It's like the two who got separated met someone new in their life.
Then the next phase is metaphase 2. Just like in metaphase 1, the chromosomes line up at the center of the cell. It is equivalent to metaphase of mitosis.
Here, another promise is made where no one will let go, and what happened to the past will not gonna happen again.
And after that is anaphase 2, where the sister chromatids got separated and pulled to each opposite of end of the cell. And it is like the anaphase in mitosis.
Though many promises are made that they will never leave each other and that they will always love one another, in the end, what's meant to happen will always happen. If they're not meant for each other, they won't stay together and will always find a way to move separate ways.
The next phase is telophase 2, where the nuclear envelope surrounds the homologous chromosome pair, each containing one chromatid and divided into total of 4 haploid daughter cells.
Here, they have completely moved on, their feeling have faded, and the love that once there is now long forgotten. And after all the separation happened, they decided to continue life and start again.
The end.